Welcome to the Carmel News Bulletin, your go-to source for all the latest buzz in our school. Let us jump straight into today's top stories.
First in sequence, we're proud to announce that Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School BHEL Bhopal, under the leadership of our respected principal, Reverend Sister Anne Joycey, has been awarded the Trusted and Outstanding School of the Year 2025 in Madhya Pradesh for its quality education, infrastructure, administration and social work.
Moving on, Mrs. Renuka Vagmari ma'am was selected as one of the top 10 science teachers from India for the STEM engagement and learning project held at the Science Museum in London. We congratulate her for this wonderful feat.
In a stellar leap towards innovation and technology, Carmel School has welcomed 2 brand new robots into its robotic classes as of March 6th, enhancing learning and providing students with hands-on experiences with robotics, coding and engineering concepts.
In the array of such accolades, the school was also adorned with the prestigious national-level elocution achievements by our proficient mentors. For the Hindi category, we have Mrs. Prabha Gupta ma'am and Mrs. Maithili Sathe ma'am. And for the English category, we have Mrs. Shaina Patel ma'am. A hearty congratulations to our beloved mentors.
March 27th marked the highly anticipated Carmel Athletic and Sports Day, a spectacle of athleticism and teamwork. From electrifying races to mesmerizing displays, our students performed their talents in a variety of events. Traditional performances like Gatka and Malkham, along with a variety of captivating performances, left the audience in pure awe.
Moving on, Shrishti Sharma from class 7th A, who was recognized at the Brybooks National Young Authors Fair held in Gurugram and received an award from Amit Roy. She had the privileged chance of meeting Mrs. Smriti Irani, Bhavin Shah and Ohad Uzile, and was even interviewed by NDTV. Congratulations to our budding literary star.
Finally, on March 28th, we bid a heartwarming farewell to our 14 cherished educators through a moving retirement program. These remarkable individuals have been pillars of inspiration, and their legacies will continue to inspire generations in Carmel.
Adding on to the success, the Lions Club BHEL Bhopal has awarded 5 teachers for their outstanding contributions in their respective fields, out of which our beloved Vandana ma'am was also awarded. The school has received the maximum participation trophy in the GK competition, making it a proud moment for all of us.
This was Arna Chaturvedi from Class 12th F
and Shruti Tiwari from Class 12th F.
Stay tuned for more fresh updates from Carmel School, where every day is a new achievement to celebrate.
That was a wrap for today. Till then, keep shining, keep striving, and we will be back with more news.